Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to public highlights on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture to go to your personal profile page. Scroll down a bit until you see the Highlights section, usually located just below your regular posts. This is where all your existing highlights are stored and managed. Now, tap on the specific highlight you want to adjust. This will open the highlight and show you its content. Next, look for an icon with 3 dots, usually in the top right corner, or a clear edit option. Tapping this will bring up a menu with several choices. From this menu, choose Edit Highlight to proceed to its detailed settings and privacy options. Within the Edit Highlight screen, you'll see various options. Locate the Privacy setting, which indicates who can view your highlight. It might currently be set to Friends or Only Me. Tap on this privacy setting to open a list of choices. From this list, simply select Public to ensure everyone can see your highlight. After selecting Public, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Done or Save button, usually located at the top right of the screen, and tap it. Your highlight is now successfully updated and visible to a wider audience on Facebook. It's a simple process to manage your highlight privacy. Remember to check the description for a link to Grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.